Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss one of the interesting topic, computer virus versus coronavirus, that we have know already have little bit ideas knowledge about these two viruses. So first of all we will discuss what is computer virus and how to protect your system against virus. So let us discuss. First of all, what is computer virus? So computer virus are a type of software program or software application that like a biological virus reproduces and produces, spreads itself. Okay, it spreads itself, and some virus may display only a message on the screens, that you can see the message of system failure. So viruses has been detected, Windows is going to shut down. So this type of error or message will be displayed, and they can also erase files or delete files or even format your floppy or hard disk, and it will crash the system, crash your computer system. So now some major types of viruses like boot sector virus, program file virus, worms virus, macro virus, and Trojan horses. Okay. So what is a boot sector virus? A boot sector virus infects diskettes or hard drives, and boot sector viruses often spread to other computers by the use of shared infected disks and pirated software applications. So email is the one of the medium that spread this type of viruses. Okay, so don't open the spam messages, and pirated softwares or applications like all Windows, Office, any pirated apps we are using that may infect, that spread through this type of CD or DVD disk. So another viruses is like program viruses. It is active when the program file, usually with this extension file name like .bin, bin.com, .exe, .ovl, .drb, this type of extension file name, virus file name program, it carrying the virus is opened. So once active, the virus will make copies of itself and will infect other programs on the computer. Okay, once you have installed, you have faced this type of viruses, then it will spread to other applications, other active programs on your computer. Okay, now what are the symptoms of computer virus? How you will know that your computer is affected by virus? Okay, so let's see, the computer runs slower than usual. Usually your computer is working, when you are working on your computer, now you will find that your computer is a little bit slower than as usual, and the computer crashes, and then it restarts every few minutes. Automatically it will restart your computer. Application on the computer do not work correctly. Whatever application, apps or softwares, programs you want to open, it will not function properly. Disk or disk drives are inaccessible. Whatever CD drive, DVD drive, floppy disk, anything, any drive is there, it will not function also properly. You see unusual error messages will appear that you have seen already. An antivirus program cannot be installed on the computer, or the antivirus program will not run. Whatever antivirus software is there, also it will not run properly. So new icons appear on the desktop that you did not put. Sometimes you will see that some new shortcut icons will be displayed on your desktop. Okay, so here are some of the examples of virus. So like Alabama is a file virus, infect from .com and .exe files. Jerusalem is another file virus. Dark Avenger is a file virus. DIR2 is also file virus. Cascade file virus, infected from .com files. Brain virus is a boot sector virus. Then Stoned Disk Killer, Bouncing Ball, Birthday Joshi. So these are some of the common viruses. So now question is how to prevent and cure your computer virus. So since a virus can cause extensive effect to your important files and programs, and possible steps must be taken to prevent attack on your PC. If you use floppy disk to boot your PC, then write protected first. So make backups of your important files in floppy or CD and keep it in safe place. You will need it to later. Okay. So backup is required. You have to store in your CD or DVD or floppy disk or hard disk, external hard disk. You can save it for further use. So your backup is required. So another important prevention is antivirus software. So you have to load antivirus software. What is antivirus software? An antivirus software is a computer program that identify and remove computer viruses and other malicious software like worms and trojans from an infected computer. Okay, and also an antivirus software protects the computer from further virus attacks. Okay, some of the common examples of antivirus software like Quickkill, Norton, AVG, many other antivirus softwares are there. You can install to protect your computer system from viruses. Okay, and don't open your email spam messages and infected files or any programs to keep your system safe. So now we'll discuss one of the latest virus named coronavirus. It's a pandemic, COVID-19. So COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by SARS-CoV-2, a new type of coronavirus detected in China in late 2019. The data shows the disease is mild in 80% of patients, severe in 13%, and critical in 6%. So most common symptoms are fever, fatigue, dry cough, and some other symptoms. Some patients may also have aches and pains, runny nose, sore throat, shortness of breath, and diarrhea. So in critical cases, COVID-19 can cause severe pneumonia or a multi-organ failure and can lead to death. Okay. So now how we will prevent these viruses to stay safe. So these 5 things we have to do, we have to know. So one is you can see frequent washing of hands with soap and water or with an alcohol based sanitizer. 20 seconds at least you have to wash your hands. Okay, then avoid touching nose, eyes and face regularly. So what you have to do, so you have to wear mask when you are going outside, avoiding close contact with people who have a cold and cough, staying at home when feeling unwell. When you are feeling unwell, so don't go outside, stay at home, and seeking help if one faces difficulty breathing, fever or a cough. Okay, so these are the common symptoms: fever and tiredness, continuous cough, loss of taste or smell, breathing difficulties. And how to precautions from coronavirus. So first of all, important thing is wear face mask, very important. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water. Do not touch your eyes with dirty hands. Use tissue when cough and sneeze. Protect yourself from coronaviruses. Okay, so these things we have to do to prevent coronavirus transmission, that we know that till now no vaccine introduced. So first of all, wash your hands frequently, cough and sneeze into elbow, dispose of used tissues immediately in the dustbin, avoid contact with others, avoid crowds and public gathering, avoid touching your face, clean all shared surfaces frequently, avoid all non-essential travel by bus or train, anything. Call ahead before going to a clinic or hospital. Isolate yourself if sick or at risk of complications. Okay, work from home if possible. Only wear a mask if you are sick, have COVID-19 or are caring for someone with it. Okay, so thank you. So this is all about coronavirus versus computer virus. Thank you. Good day. Keep watching.